Which software does the SVM subsystem require in a SAN environment on the host? Option A. Fabric software. Option B. SAN agent. Option C. Multipaving software. Option D. SVM agent. The correct answer is option C. While replacing a DIMM, you did not save the configuration of the old DIMM. During the setup of the replacement DIMM, you must set up the IP configuration. The IP address is, the network mask is, and the default gateway is D, which command will correctly configure the management interface of the DIMM. A. Set interface management IP 10.0.10.1 netmask 255.255.255.0 gateway 10.0.10.254. B. Modify FMGMT IP 10.0.10.1 netmask 255.255.255.0 gateway 10.0.10.254. Option A. Modify F management IP 10.0.10.1 netmask 255.255.255.0 gateway 10.0.10.254. Option B. Set interface MGMT IP 10.10.10.1 netmask 255.255.255.0 gateway 10.0.10.254. The correct answer is option B. How many bytes per volume can be created? Option A. 8. Option B. 16. Option C. 24. Option D. 32. The correct answer is option D. Which three statements are true about DIMM groups? Choose 3. Option A. A host can have volumes assigned from multiple DIMM groups. Option B. A host can have views assigned from multiple DIMM groups. Option C. A host can have thin volumes assigned only from one DIMM group. Option D. A host can have synchronous multi-mirror volumes assigned from multiple DIMM groups. Option E. A host can have the same volume assigned from multiple DIMM groups. The correct answer is option A, B, D,